In case if you see this yellow battery icon on your iPhone, it means that you have very less charge left in your iPhone, due to which the iPhone automatically went to low power mode in order to save the charge of your iPhone battery. So in that case, you can do two things. The first thing you need to do is you need to charge your iPhone so that the iPhone will be sufficiently charged, and then this yellow icon of the battery will automatically go away. In case if you want to remove the yellow icon, then go to settings, scroll down, go to battery. Right now if you see, low power mode is activated, so switch off the low power mode and the yellow icon of the iPhone battery will go away. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.